good evening. So today our content would be around unboxing a, what do you call this? A toy storage for my daughter, because right now we don't have that much of a space, and I really wanted to like create a little like toy area for her. So I purchased a toy storage. Join me as I do unboxing, assembling the toy storage, and putting away and arranging her toys into the toy storage. Right? Bye bye. So right now there is her toys. Most of these are gifts from friends. So we barely have like a toy storage for her. So I purchased one online. And so we're gonna unbox it tonight and assemble, and hopefully we could arrange it. These big toys, I'm not sure if they will fit in the bins, but hopefully the small ones, will fit, and we could remove some or make a good use of the space here. So, okay, I'm trying to make a space for her there so she could grab stuff, her toys, and books right there. when assembling the toy storage. It's not like, you know, as spacious as I want it to be, because there's like big toys that I really don't know where to put them. So that's the best I could do. So yeah, you know, as at least the small ones are already like cleared out. So I just want it like organized. I'm gonna show you a closer look. Choco, say hi. My silly boy. So yeah, that's the best I can do. Tucked in everything as much as possible, organized. I'm trying to make a space here because you know, like we barely have much space here. And so I don't like unorganized stuff. Not neat freak, but I like things organized. So yep, all these big ones, I just put them there. Anyways, my daughter would just like pull them out, so it's just easy for me to put them back there. And then this laundry or you know, laundry mat basket that you could also use for toy storage. So I dump like most of like the, you know, like the stuffed toys there. So there's tons out there at the bottom. So is this like an extra large thing? So they fit most of them. So yeah, and then this, she's gonna pull this out and it's gonna be a chaos again tomorrow, but at least there's like space for them to go back to, or for me to put them back to. So yeah, I'm happy. You know, I like things organized, and I have somewhere now to put all these clutters and small toys. You know, like before they're just like all over there, and it's chaos. Like I don't like it. So yeah, so far so good. This is not gonna be the same tomorrow, but I'll be able to put them back again. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy with the toy storage. Yep. So yep, this is the toy storage that I bought. A 4-tier, 1, 2, 3, 4 tier toy storage, and an extra large laundry mat or toy storage as well. So the big ones, I really cannot put them. It's already full, so you know, that's better. Every time my daughter goes to sleep, I just arrange them again, just like how it is. So yeah, I'm pretty much happy. All right, so yeah, for this one, this is called decorative woven cotton rope basket. So you could use it for laundry, and you could also use it for toy storage. So I definitely chose this one, the extra large size, because my daughter has a lot of stuffed toys. So I made sure that I get this one so I can stuff all the stuffed toys there. So yeah, I still have like, these are really huge ones, so they won't fit in here, but this carries like most of the, a little not so big of a stuffed toys. The rest of them are actually in there, the small stuffed toys. So I bought this for around $29.95, And then this one, this is the extra large wooden toy storage. I bought this for $59.99. So $59.99. So yeah, pretty much it. They were delivered today, this morning. No, they were delivered this noon. So I was able to assemble it tonight after putting my daughter to bed. So yeah, again, this is how it looks now so far. I'm happy about it. You know, makes a little difference. Yeah, Choco. Hi, honey. That's my panganay, Choco. And that part right there was the mess he made when he was just like weeks with us. He wasn't potty trained. So, anyways, all right. So, this is it for now. I have to say bye. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for joining me in assembling, unboxing the toy storage that I bought from Amazon for my daughter's, toys. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Bye bye.